identify the system or process and draw an envelope. In some cases, not the entire flowsheet will be simulated. Once you have the objective into your mind, it's time to define the better limits for your process simulation. Sometimes you just need to simulate only equipment or only one unit of your process. For instance, I deal with the biomethane production, and the biomethane production has the biogas generation, has the pretreatment, CO2 removal, post-treatment, and gas delivery. And depending on the objective of my job, of my deliverables, I will get only a specific part of my process simulation. Most often, when you deal with suppliers, for instance, they will send to you only the licensor part of them. For a hydrogen plant, for instance, they will give it to you the process flow diagram and the heat material balance related to the steam methane reformer, while you need to deal with the utilities. So eventually you will not perform the process simulation for the hydrogen production, but you will need to perform the process simulation for the utilities. And all of these are based on the objectives that you have when you start your process simulation.